Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of automotive myths. If you've ever found yourself scratching your head over some of the wild claims floating around the car community, you're not alone. From the belief that premium fuel guarantees better performance to the idea that you should always warm up your engine before driving, there's no shortage of misconceptions that can leave even the most seasoned car enthusiasts puzzled. In this video, we're going to take a light-hearted yet educational approach to debunking these popular myths. We'll explore the origins of these misconceptions and why they've stuck around for so long, all while keeping the mood fun and engaging. Think of it as a myth-busting road trip where we'll stop at every pit stop of misinformation along the way. So buckle up, because we're about to shift gears and navigate through the twists and turns of automotive folklore. By the end of this video, you'll not only be armed with the truth but also have a few laughs along the way. Get ready to impress your friends with your newfound knowledge and maybe even save a few bucks in the process. Let's hit the road and start debunking these automotive myths together. Myth 1. Premium fuel is always better. Let's kick things off by tackling the myth that premium fuel is necessary for all vehicles. Many drivers believe that filling up with high-octane fuel will automatically boost their car's performance and fuel efficiency. However, the reality is that most cars are designed to run perfectly well on regular unleaded fuel. In fact, using premium fuel in a vehicle that doesn't require it is often just throwing money down the drain. Now, it's true that some high-performance vehicles, like sports cars or luxury models, are engineered to take advantage of premium fuel's higher octane rating. These engines are built to operate at higher compression ratios, which can lead to better performance and efficiency when using the right fuel. But for the average sedan or SUV, regular fuel is usually the way to go. So, how can you know what's best for your car? The answer lies in your owner's manual. It's your go-to guide for understanding your vehicle's specific fuel requirements. Before you fill up, take a moment to check it out. You might be surprised to find that you can save some cash while still keeping your engine happy. Remember, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your wallet. Myth 2. You should warm up your car before driving. Next up, let's challenge the belief that you need to warm up your car before hitting the road. Many people think that letting their engine idle for several minutes is essential for performance, but modern engines are actually designed to be driven immediately. In fact, idling can do more harm than good, as it doesn't allow the engine to reach its optimal operating temperature efficiently. Not only does warming up your car waste fuel, but it also contributes to unnecessary emissions. Idling for long periods can increase your carbon footprint and is harmful to the environment. So, instead of letting your car sit and run, it's better to start driving gently right away. This allows the engine to warm up more effectively while you're on the move. If you're concerned about cold weather, there are better ways to prepare your vehicle. Start by ensuring your engine oil is suitable for low temperatures, as this can help with lubrication. When you start your car, let it run for about 30 seconds before driving off, and then keep your speed moderate until the engine warms up. This way, you'll be doing your part for the environment while keeping your car in top shape. So, let's ditch the myth and drive smart. Myth 3. Bigger tires improve performance. Now, let's dive into the misconception that bigger tires always enhance vehicle performance. It's a common belief that upgrading to larger tires will automatically give you better handling, improved speed, and enhanced fuel efficiency. However, the reality is a bit more nuanced. While larger tires can provide a wider contact patch for better grip, they can also negatively impact your vehicle's handling and fuel economy. When you increase tire size, you change the dynamics of your vehicle. Larger tires can lead to a heavier overall weight, which may slow you down and reduce acceleration. Additionally, they can alter your car's suspension geometry, potentially making handling less responsive. This means that while you might be looking for better performance, you could end up with a less enjoyable driving experience. It's crucial to match tire size to your vehicle's specifications. Manufacturers design cars with specific tire sizes in mind to optimize performance, safety, and efficiency. If you're considering a tire upgrade, think about the trade-offs. Larger tires may look great and provide some benefits, but they can also lead to increased wear and tear on your vehicle and decreased fuel efficiency. So, before you make that change, weigh the pros and cons carefully to ensure you're making the best choice for your ride. Myth 4. All-wheel drive means no slipping. let's tackle the myth that all-wheel drive (AWD) vehicles never lose traction. Many drivers believe that having AWD means they can conquer any slippery condition without a hitch. While it's true that AWD systems can provide better traction by distributing power to all four wheels, they are not a magic solution for every situation. AWD helps improve grip on wet or snowy roads, but it doesn't eliminate the possibility of slipping altogether. Understanding how AWD systems work is key to debunking this myth. These systems can vary widely, with some being full-time and others engaging only when needed. However, even the best AWD systems can struggle on icy or extremely slippery surfaces if the tires aren't up to par. Proper tires are essential for maintaining traction, so investing in high-quality winter or all-season tires can make a significant difference. Moreover, driving techniques play a crucial role in slippery conditions. Even with AWD, it's important to drive cautiously, maintain a safe distance, and avoid sudden movements. Remember, no vehicle is invincible, and driving recklessly can lead to accidents regardless of your drivetrain. So, while AWD can enhance your vehicle's capabilities, it's essential to stay vigilant and drive responsibly to ensure your safety on the road. Myth 5. You don't need to change your oil until it's dark. Let's challenge the belief that you only need to change your oil when it looks dirty. Many car owners think that if the oil appears clean, it's still good to go. However, this misconception can lead to serious engine problems down the line. Regular oil changes are crucial for maintaining your engine's health and performance. Oil lubricates the engine components, reduces friction, and helps to keep everything running smoothly. What's important to understand is that oil can degrade even if it looks clean. Over time, oil breaks down due to heat, contaminants, and the natural wear and tear of engine components. This degradation can lead to reduced lubrication and increased engine wear, which can ultimately result in costly repairs. Just because the oil looks clear doesn't mean it's still effective. To keep your engine in top shape, it's essential to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for oil change intervals. These guidelines are based on extensive testing and are designed to ensure optimal engine performance. Whether it's every 3,000 miles or 7,500 miles, sticking to these recommendations will help you avoid potential issues and extend the life of your vehicle. So, don't wait for that oil to turn dark, stay proactive and keep your engine happy. As we wrap up our exploration of automotive myths, let's take a moment to summarize the key takeaways. We've debunked the idea that premium fuel is necessary for all vehicles, clarified that warming up your car isn't essential, and examined the misconception that bigger tires always enhance performance. We also challenged the belief that all-wheel drive means you'll never lose traction and emphasized the importance of regular oil changes, regardless of how clean the oil looks. These insights are crucial for every car owner, as understanding the truth behind these myths can save you money and help you maintain your vehicle more effectively. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you encountered any of these myths in your own experiences? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. We love hearing from our community. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us create more engaging content for you. And while you're here, be sure to explore our related videos for even more tips and tricks to keep your automotive knowledge sharp. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.